How to link a calendar in Slack. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Slack and go to the workspace where you want to link the calendar. Click on Apps in the left sidebar and search for Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. 2. Click on the calendar app you want to use, then select Add to Slack. This will prompt you to sign into your calendar account. 3. After signing in, authorize Slack to access your calendar. This will allow Slack to pull events and send notifications. 4. Choose the channel where you want calendar updates to appear. You can select a public channel, a private group, or even direct messages for personal reminders. 5. Customize your notification settings. You can choose to receive event reminders before meetings or daily summaries of your schedule. 6. Test the integration by creating an event in your calendar. If everything is set up correctly, Slack will notify the chosen channel or user. 7. If needed, adjust settings in Slack's Apps section to fine-tune notifications or remove the integration.